A quick update on XCN here. So it did not quite tag the 382. It still could. So this is it. I mean, we're right here. We tagged about 9.8. So if we hold over this green box, we've been going over this final support to be bullish at the 382 on the macro is a must hold price on XCN here. So looking on the daily chart, what we're going to simply do is go from this wick high to the low, to the new low here, and keep it simple. You have to get back up over the box. You got to break the trend here. A confirmation of that for a bottom being in would be this 236 here at 1-1. So just keep that in mind. And then bullish over 1-3 here. Breakout confirmed over 15. But I would have to imagine, we've been going over this, if this holds up, if that was it, and we hold that macro 382, if we turn bullish on this thing, we should have a decent run to the upside here. I don't think it's just going to peter out, just hitting something and then just dying. So we do have the 236 here on the macro that could come into play. So we're either looking at a move all the way up to the 786 and this thing blasted out of here, or you're looking at just a little move of about 80% up to 18. And then maybe that's where you get stuck. And then that's when this thing does something very healthy, which it comes up and then it'll back test it finally. And then we can finally go up at that point. So just keep that in mind. That could be the case. Or we could just rip right out of here. We could just come right up to that macro 786. Let me zoom this thing out so we can actually see that. But you can see that. Let me move this down to where we are in price today. So if that 9.8 was the bottom, we could be in store for a decent little run here if it breaks the downtrend and breaks over those prices of about a 5.5x up to about 5.5 pennies here. And then we'll just kind of pick it up and take it from there. But it's at that point now. I mean, it's make or break time. It's either going to break this level and break down, or we're about to get a nice little move out of here on XCN. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.